When I came into it, and I'm talking about TPM in general, not just Brotherhood, I didn't have any hope. Like, I thought my marriage was over, and I didn't know what to do, where to go. This renewed my faith and my hope that it doesn't have to be that way. I want to be the best Chris I can be, and I'm not, and I know it. I'm shortchanging myself in a lot of different areas. So I need to target those and figure out what's getting in my way. I think some baggage, some guilt, shame, stuff that I think is probably a lot of what's keeping me from moving forward. I gotta unload that shit. I'm holding on to it. Wow. Totally different than what I thought it was gonna be. Truly, and I'm not slinging shit here. It's life-changing. It's powerful. Yeah, it delivered. The biggest surprise was the ability in such a short amount of time to dig so deep and still resolve it. Like, I was worried after day one, like, okay, I've torn up a lot, and how are we gonna fix this in 2 days? I was worried, and yeah, it was impressive. Yeah. The man that walked in the door was unsure, not able to forgive himself for certain things and see a path forward. The man leaving is confident, knows the power of forgiveness and is able to act on it, and knows what direction he's going in. More confidence, more openness, the ability to connect, which I didn't have coming here. That is my focus when I get back, is connections. Well, given what I know now, it would be connect, but I wouldn't have known how to tell him to connect, nor tell him why it's so important. And from that, I should say, let's step back and put it out of order. Connect with yourself, because if you don't do that, you're not going to connect with anybody else. And I didn't understand that concept. This is for me. If I wasn't where I was when I signed up, which was a dark place with, as I saw it, no hope, this wouldn't have been right for me. I think you have to be in the spot where you're willing to commit 100%. You have to be a ball of clay, be moldable, coachable, and let the process work. If you're in that dark spot, you absolutely need to be here. It is life-changing.
If you can relate to that story and the thousands of other stories that we have from men just like you who've gone from sleeping literally 6 inches apart from their wives, yet feeling 6 miles away, to getting love, admiration, and respect back in their wife's eyes, I encourage you to book a call with one of our advisors today. Now is the moment of taking action. You'll find a link in the description or the bio.